Welcome to the Raydar dashboard. Click Connect and select Bybit from the list. Name your account, for example, Bybit account. Now go to Bybit. From the profile menu, click on the API section. Click on Create New Key and select System-Generated API Keys. Name the key Raydar. Set the permissions to read-only and no IP restriction. We select the following boxes to be read-only and click Submit. Enter your email and two-factor authentication codes to complete the security verification. Now your key is ready. Copy the API key and paste it into Raydar. Then copy the secret key and paste it into the corresponding field. Accept the privacy agreement and hit Connect. Congratulations, your Bybit account is successfully connected.